How to log in Crunchyroll account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in Crunchyroll account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Crunchyroll application on your device. In the interface that you will be led to, if you do not have an account, tap on the Create Account button and create an account for yourself by following the on-screen instructions. And if you already have an account, tap on the Login button. You will then be led to the login portal of Crunchyroll. Go ahead and enter your email and password and tap on the login button to log yourself in. And just in case, if you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option you see there and reset your password and log in further. So, this is how you can log in to Crunchyroll account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for similar contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.